Page 6, Deck of the Halls. This is in the key of C major. There's no sharps or flats anywhere. It may have an accidental in there someplace, but for the most part, you're playing only the white keys. 4/4 time, so we're counting to 4, and a quarter note's getting a count. We're counting quarter notes at the beginning. Let's just look at the right hand first. Take this one hand at a time at first, and then we'll put the hands together later. Here, you're starting 5th finger on G. That puts you in this position. That's fine. We have a dotted rhythm right off the bat. 1 and 2 and 3. See that? F comes on the end of 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then it's just quarter notes for a while, and then the 8th notes come up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we have to cross over the thumb to get the speed. Now don't make a big deal of this crossover. Don't twist your hand around or do any fancy stuff on this. Just relax, and you should be able to come across the thumb. If you just relax the thumb will go there. And just relax a little bit and just leave your thumb on it. Stay relaxed, that's the key. And at the top of page 7 is similar to what we already had. Let's go down to the second line on page 7. Starting in the second measure, you're here. They want the thumb on that. See, we had the thumb on that half note C. Now you come up one. Just lift up and move. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now third line. This is as tricky as it's going to get. Let's go over this carefully. You have a 8th notes, 1 and, that's an F sharp. Now bring the thumb under. See, we talked about this before. Just relax and bring the thumb under to play the G. If you're doing the C major scale, which hopefully you are, you have to do this anyway, so you get practice at that. We got to get good at this coming over the thumb like this. 2nd finger, 3rd finger, whatever. So here, now we've changed hand positions when we do that. And then 8th notes. So at the beginning of the third line again, you're down here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then we want 5th finger for the next note, so you can lift up and move down. Like so. You may have to practice the hand. We do practice hand moves in piano if we have to get where we can do this. And then we'll finish that. Now in the last line, the first, just reach up, stick the hand out a little bit, leave the thumb where it is, and leave the hand up and get the 5th finger on that. All these fingers go up to get that. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then cross over at the end to get the C. So a little trickiness going on in the right hand. Let's see what the left hand's doing. At the beginning, we have all these notes to deal with. You have a C, an E, and a G. It's a C chord. Got a couple of those, and then the second line, you're here. That G, that's tied. The 2 G's are tied together. You play the first one and just hold it down for all that. And then the last one is C and E. And then at the top of page 7, some more of that. Let's go down on page 7, third line for the left hand, the second measure, a D, F sharp, and that's it. Everything else you've had in the left hand. Let's put the hands together and see what happens. You're starting here, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's what I want to talk about. On the 4th beat, when I play the D in the right hand, I have to rest in the left hand, so the hand comes up as I play the D. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and up, right there. This comes up, and then it goes down again, and then it comes up again. And hold that G down, it's tied. Like so, you may have to practice that to get it. It's all gotta be smooth and connected. The top of page 7 is the same thing. Now let's go to the second line on page 7. You're ending up here, At the end of the first measure, you're here at the half note. And then we go on. The right hand moves, the left hand stays where it is. So you just up. Now you got a whole note. You can hold that G down the whole thing. But now you got to lift up on B4 right there. The left hand comes up. 1 and 2 and 3 and... It's similar to what we've had before. So you work it out really carefully. You need to be able to play it start to finish without any hesitations, without any wrong notes, without any of that. Just keep it slow until you can get it. Then you can speed it up, because this really is a happy piece. I mean, it's joy. Okay. How fast is up to you. Don't go faster than what you can play. Those eighth notes, how fast can you play those evenly and controlled? You know, it doesn't have to be my fast. You take it your fast, not me. And that's how fast you take. The whole thing, start to finish, has to go smoothly and the same speed without any hesitations or any of that. However, I would like to play it with you slowly, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts, and your hands start here. They start here. They may not stay there, but they start there. And let's try it slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 2.